In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Windows 11 PC starts without desktop icons, files, and taskbar. Now, without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So first is press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together. In that way, you'd be able to open a new window called Task Manager. Again, it is Control Shift and Escape key together. So the Escape key is being placed aligning your function keys at the upper side of the keyboard. So here you need to find for Run New Task, click on it. And here, please type for Explorer.exe and click on the OK button. And in that way, you'd be able to your you would be able to refresh your computer. Okay? So try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the second solution. The second solution would be you need to navigate to your registry editor. So how we can do so, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'll be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for reg edit, then click on the OK button to continue. And if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So first proceed to HK local machine, double tapped and find for software. Then double tapped again to expand it. And under the software, you need to find for Microsoft, double tapped. And under the Microsoft, please proceed to Windows NT. So just have to scroll down until you can find it. Once you find it, double tap again and you can find current version. And under the current version, you need to double tap and here you need to proceed to Win Logged On. Here at the Win Logged On, you can see their shell at the center under the values, list of values rather. You need to double tap and here you need to ensure that the value data of this edit string is explorer.exe. Once done, click on OK and close the paths that you have just opened. Then close the registry editor and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.